morning and welcome to question 2 of the OSBPG Foundation Charity Christmas Competition 2024, where we're giving you a chance to win a copy of this curing book and smoking book from River Cottage. This is the Inkbird humidity controller along with the temperature probe controller as well, so you can set up your own charcuterie curing cupboard, along with the fancy chorizo kit. Gives you everything you need to, from the string and the sausage skins and all the seasonings that you need to make your own chorizos and salamis. All you need to do is provide your own OSB pork to do so. Now, before we get on to question 2, just going to do a recap of question 1, which is up there in the corner there. So we're looking for the letters G and M, the two numbers associated. So G is the square root of the number of days between the 12th of November and the 31st of December 1653, and M is the number of native pig breeds in Great Britain. That's native, not to be confused with the non-native species like the Mangalitsa. Although it's present in the UK, it's not native to the UK. So anyway, so it's the number of native pig breeds in Great Britain / United Kingdom minus the number of wise men divided by the number of cardinal virtues. So that's just summarise what question 1 is. Question 2 is based around Richard Osman's House of Games, the round called Answer Smash, where you have 2 pictures or some text in a picture, and the answers you smash together. So, for example, the question would be the famous TV show created by Jim Henderson. The answer would be The Muppet Show, and that was next to a picture of someone on a horseback jumping a fence, which is show jumping. The answer would therefore be The Muppet Show jumping. So we're giving you 2 questions where you've got to work out 2 more numbers today, and in this particular example I'm asking you to, once you got your answer, to work out the number of vowels, the total number of vowels in each question. Don't add them together between the 2 questions, because you've got 2 different numbers to calculate. It's just the number of vowels, not individual vowels, to count. So if there's 2 O's, 2 U's and an A, the answer would be 5, not 3, just for some clarity. So hopefully that gives you, I haven't confused you too much with my waffling. So anyway, without further ado, here's question 2. There you go. It's question 2. Still a few more to go. I'm not going to tell you how many more questions there are, but you just have to keep an eye out. Again, I'm using the hashtag OSBPG Xmas Comp 24, so you can find all the questions. There's also a playlist on our YouTube channel called Christmas Competition 2024, where you can see all these videos with the questions in sequence, and they will also at a later date for when you come to submit the answers for a full summary. Yeah, so just wanted to go through you quickly before I sign off. So what's in the pack from Westenfelder? So you've got some here, some hog casings here to make the smaller sort of chorizos, and then we've got some beef in the middles there. That's for creating the fatter salamis or fatter chorizos. You've got a nice big bag of curing salts, string for tying it all up. Rather dangerous. I'm not going to have this in the barn, but is the pricker for pricking the holes to take the air out. You've got your starter culture for keeping it going, and then there is in here a bag of chorizo spice and a bag of salami spice for making it. Smells wonderful. For you to make that from, and also at the bottom of the box, if I can get it out, there you go, is a full list of instructions that you need to make both of them. All the information you need to help you cure and put up in your sponsored by Inkbird curing chamber. And then on top of that, just a reminder, there is the smoking and curing book from River Cottage, which covers a lot more than just chorizos and salamis. Anyway, until the next instalment, I wish you good luck. If you have any questions about any of the questions I've asked, please post them in the comments below. I'll do my best. Not issuing any clues at the minute, but I will do in the near future. Anyway, thank you very much and good luck.